Let me explain differentiating in 60 seconds. Remember in my last video that dy means just a little bit of y, and dx just means a little bit of x. Well, the ratio of the two is called the differential. That's all it means. Think about x as the base of a ladder from the wall, and y is the height. What is the change in height from the change in base? That's represented by dy over dx. Differentiating is just hunting for that ratio that represents the relative growing of x to y or any other varying related variables. How does x plus dx affect y plus dy? Well, we can use Pythagorean theorem to show that an increase of 1 on the x causes a decrease of minus 0.11 on the y. We can show the relationship implicitly or explicitly. Duet this video with a question on differential calculus and I'll make a response. Thanks.